Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Good evening, fellow hams. Mayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 7th day of December 2020 and it's a Monday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. The DX1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. I am working with Yaesu FT2980R with a power output of 80 watts, hooked up to Comet GP-1 antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero-bit your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling on any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Second call to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. In a relay for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for the DX1PRS, standing by. Nothing heard. Any announcement from our club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. The DX1PRS will be listening. Second call to any announcement from our club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. The DX1PRS will be listening. Nothing heard. Please be advised that this is a supervised net. Therefore, all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Before proceeding with the net, we would like to inform all stations on monitor that we have about 12 days left before the launching of the raffle draw on December 19. To those who qualify based on the frequency of check-ins. Please continue supporting the DX1PRS Evening Net to have a bigger chance to win the exclusive t-shirt from the DX1PRS with your personalized call sign on it. End of the announcement. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the DX1PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for the DX1PRS will be listening.
Check.
For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. DW1 Queen Alpha Mike. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie. Okay, I heard this, the following stations loud and clear. Portal 1, Bravo, Zulu Delta. For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. DW1, Queen Alpha Mike, DY1, Mike Victor Charlie. Please stand by. Any more stations? I heard the station of 4 Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Tito Mer, please stand by. Yung nakasabay ni Tito Army, pakibalik po. One more time. Okay, copy that, Tito Voltaire. For India 1, Papa Uniform Victor, please stand by. Any more? Okay, indulgence, gentlemen. We will start by calling on those distant stations, I think 2 stations, beginning with 4 India 1, Papa Uniform Victor, Tito Voltaire ng Cuenca, Batangas. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Voltaire, and thank you for supporting Dix1 Persnet, and we would like to inform you that you are about to be qualified on the raffle draw. Just continue checking in. Keep safe and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Injuan Papa Uniform Victor is now locked and clear. Next station for Golf 1, Echo Hotel November on Portable Tito Army. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Check.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Army. Likewise, please continue on checking in to qualify for the raffle draw next week. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Echo Hotel November is now locked and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu, Delta, Tito Arnel. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Hold you.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Arnel. We would like to inform you that you are already qualified on the raffle draw. Just continue on checking in for the more bigger chance to win the coveted prize. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta is now locked and clear. Next station for Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima, Tito Elmore. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Likewise, Tito Rootboy, good evening for G1PUR, for the X1PRS. Good evening, all stations on monitor. This is for Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima. Name is Elmore from Muntinlupa City. No further traffic, 73.
G1 Kilo India Yankee, Kaed, please stand by.
Check. Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Acknowledge Tito Elmore, 73, and mabuhay, and we would like to inform you, and as of this date, you still have 100% check-ins or attendance to our evening net. Just continue on checking in, because for the 100% attendance, we will first raffle those 100 stations with 100% attendance. And if, for example, you're not qualified, you don't win for the first raffle draw, you still have the chance to win on the second raffle. That's the advantage of having a perfect attendance. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima is now locked and clear. Next station, DW1, Queen Alpha Mike. Tito Ray, good evening. Long time no here. Welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
GSL Road Boy, my 73, and good evening. No other traffic, just supporting the net call. We'll be on QRX, QRU.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Ray, and welcome back, and thank you, and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1, Queen Alpha Mike is now locked and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, Tito Mark. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Yes, good evening, Tito Rootboy, and good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, supporting the net of the X1 PRS. And Tito mo tatlo, God bless po, ingat sa lahat.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay Tito Mark at kayo rin po ay mga ilang araw na lang ang inyong kailangan mag-check-in para ma-qualify sa ating raffle draw.
1, 2, 3, check.
Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong impilan for Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie
Check.
ay nakatala
1,
na
2,
po
3.
at ligtas na.
Audio. 1, 2, 3. Audio. Low.
Pakibalik po yung may kilo.
Hello. 1, 2, 3. Check. Check.
Delta Yankee 1, Juliet, Kilo,
1, 2,
Oscar,
3.
Tito Jacob, please stand by.
1, 2, 3. Check.
Next station, DU1, Kilo, India, Yankee, Kaed. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Check. Check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dodge. Hello.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Kaed. And thank you for
Balance.
always supporting
Check.
Dix1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again
Audio.
tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Kilo, India, Yankee,
Echo.
is now locked and clear.
Echo. 1, 2, 3. Low.
Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Juliet,
Low,
Kilo,
low.
Oscar,
Check,
Tito Jaco,
check,
good
check.
evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Check. Check. Oh. Check. Check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello.
Ganon din
Hello.
po, naway pagpalain po kayo ng
Hello.
buong may kapal, 73, manatili sa
Hello.
bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Jaco, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dix1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan, Delta Yankee 1, Juliet, Kilo, Oscar ay nakatala na po at libre na. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
For Golf 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, Tito Nelson, good evening. Welcome to X1 PRSnet, our GroupNet, one of the net control stations of the group. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rotboy. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. For the X1 PRS, Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. Just saying, live tayo uli sa FB at 73. Isabay ko lang din si Mike Trento, si DU9, Mike Echo Romeo. 73, pa-acknowledge lang, Tito. DU9, Mike Echo Romeo.
Okay, 73, acknowledge the station of DU9, Mike Echo Romeo, Tito Mike ng Trento, Agusan del Sur. Thank you for coming up on FB Live, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now locked and clear. And acknowledge the station of one of our net control stations, Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, from the group. And hope to catch you again tomorrow, Tito Nelson. Thank you. Mabuhay. 73, and thank you for the relay. DB1, Yankee, November, Juliet, Tito Larry, good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Larry. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PRS Evening Net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1, Yankee, November, Juliet, is now locked and clear. One more time po. For Hotel 1, Yankee, X-ray, something. Okay, copy that. For Hotel 1, Yankee, Romeo, X-Ray, Ka Lawrence ng Pagbilao, Quezon. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Ka Lawrence. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Yankee, Romeo X-Ray is now loud and clear.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Tito Boy, please stand by. Okay, let's call on the station of DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatulala ang buhabati po ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. No other traffic, QRX, Karel. Salamat po.
73 manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Boy. Maraming salamat sa tiklis-tiklis na pagbati at gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na na-qualify na po kayo sa ating patimpalak at palagi lang po kayo mag-check-in para mas lalong malaki ang chance para manalo. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po at libre na.
Hotel 1, Bravo
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Okay, for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu, Portal 1, Bravo Zulu Echo, QSL.
Ito ba yun? Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar.
Standby, Tito Gilbert, Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Kapitan. Yung Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, si Camiloy ba yan, QSL?
Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf.
Okay, copy that. Portal 1, Bravo Delta Golf, QSL.
Oh, busog pa ako, mamaya-maya ako.
Okay, standby.
Mamaya-maya ako kain, busog
Any
pa ako.
more stations?
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Ay, copy that, Tito Jun. Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, please stand by. Any more? Okay, please hold on. Let's call on the station of 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu KJR. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Portal 1, Lima, Echo Sierra, please stand by. Yung may Delta Yankee 1, pakibalik po. Delta Yankee 1, is that Alpha Mike Romeo? Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, QSL?
Oh,
Okay, stand by, Tito Mar. Any more station?
RH1 Delta Bravo Sierra. D1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
Okay, copy an additional station, Portal 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, and DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee. Any more station? Okay, nothing heard. I just would like to acknowledge the station for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Suluka, KJR 73, and thank you for always supporting the DX1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now locked and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Golf, Tito Dindo ng Comembo, Makati on portable. I think, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Yun, likewise po, control. Just supporting the limit, 73, God bless po.
Likewise, God bless, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Dindo. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Golf is now locked and clear. Next station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito Jun of UP Los Baños. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Bumabati na po ng magandang gabi and servitories to all monitoring stations. Keep safe and good evening.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Also, we would like to inform you that you still have maybe 3 or more days in order for you to qualify for the raffle. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, is now locked and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Likewise, Tito Rootboy, Tito Cesar, Tito Nelsa, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi, PRS. Total lang Yankee Mike Oscar po, nagpapatala. Wala pong ganang mensahe, mabuhay. 73 from DX1 Papa, Kalamba transmitting. Maraming salamat po, Tito Rootboy. Good night and see you tomorrow. Merry Christmas.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Gilbert. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, is now lock and clear. Next station, Portal 1, Lima, Echo Sierra, Cacris ng Angono Rizal. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PairsNet. Likewise, ingat din, Cacris and 73. Mabuhay and thank you for always supporting DX1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Lima, Echo Sierra is now locked and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, Tito Mar. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PairsNet. Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Mark. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, is now locked and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, Tito Fred from the group. Good evening, welcome to our GroupNet.
Thank you, Control. This is 4H1, Delta Bravo Sierra. And supporting PRS and joining the net from the group, and Blue Spread transmitting from Alabang Muntinlupa, no traffic 73. And mabuhay and keep safe. Over.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Fred. Also, we would like to inform you that you are qualified to the raffle draw that will be held on Saturday next week. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, is now lock and clear. Next station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, Tito Richie. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Good evening all around. Stay safe. 73 from the Victor Bravo Yankee.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Richie. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, is now lock and clear.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Ninja.
I hear the station of Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike. Please stand by. Yung may India, pakibalik po.
Delta Yankee 1 X-ray Quebec, India.
Delta Yankee 1 X-ray Quebec, India. Please stand by. Any more stations?
DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico.
DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico Vice, please stand by. Any more? Nakasabay po.
DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra.
DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, please stand by. Any more? Calling the station of Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Road Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. At Tito Romano ay pinapaalala sa iyo na ikaw po ay qualified na sa ating raffle draw na gaganapin sa susunod na linggo. Mag-check-in lang palagi para mas lalong malaki ang chance para manalo. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 X-ray Quebec, India. Tito Rani, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Good evening, Tito. Just checking in. No other topic. 73, keep safe.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Rani, thank you for supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1 X-ray Quebec, India is now locked and clear. Next station, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico from the group, the Vice President of our club. Vice, hello, good evening. Welcome to our GroupNet.
Good evening, magandang gabi din kay John. Just supporting our net call, no traffic, 73 sa lahat, mabuhay. Sayo.
73, keep safe and mabuhay sa Vice, and thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. That hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, is now locked and clear, and you are now qualified for the raffle.
Whiskey Quebec Charlie, palag na lang Tito.
Pakibalik pa.
Whiskey Quebec Charlie ng Montalban Rizal, DW1 Whiskey Quebec Charlie.
DW1 Whiskey Quebec Charlie, copy that. Tito Nelson, thank you for the relay. Next station, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, from the group, Tito Jun, the head of our Technical Affairs Committee. Good evening, welcome to our GroupNet.
Good evening for G1PUR, likewise, Kilo Whiskey Mike. Good evening, Alaric, the Vice President of the group. DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the group's net, DX1 PRS, no more traffic, my 73s, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Jun, thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, is now locked and clear. And maybe a couple of days, and you will be qualified also, Tito Jun. Next station, DW1 Whiskey Quebec Charlie, T2F friend is now acknowledged as relayed by Fortel 1 Lima Charlie uniform. 73. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
Tito, pa-acknowledge Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo.
Delta Whiskey 2.
USL Mike Bravo.
Tito Nelson, is that Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo?
QSL, Tito.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo, Tito Michael from Baguio City, as relayed by Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform via Facebook Live 73, and keep on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now lock and clear.
Forward 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, for the net.
Wala ba akong ano to?
4H1 Delta Papa Quebec.
Bravo.
Net.
DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Okay, I copy the following stations. Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, for Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, for Hotel 1, Delta Papa Quebec, and DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Please stand by anymore when nakasabay. Okay, nothing heard. Calling the station of Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, Tito Adimar. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet from Tarlac. Go ahead.
Okay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Adimar. You're coming here 4x1 in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, is now lock and clear.
DW3 Romeo Queen Golf Stroke 1.
DW3 Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Tito Royal, please stand by.
Mike Bravo, Bishop.
Next station, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, Tito Elmer. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Boy. Good evening po sa lahat. 4 Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa Elmer ng Marikina. Just a working day teammate, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Elmer. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, is now lock and clear. By the way, Tito Elmer is the newly elected treasurer of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Congratulations, Tito Elmer. Next station, Portal 1 Delta Papa Quebec, Tito Pito. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Bravo.
Portal 1 Delta Papa Quebec, Tito Pipito. Good evening, go ahead.
Oh,
Jesus, Mariusip.
bakit? Bet ako inaano mo, hindi naman ako. Bet, ibababa mo pa rito, malibag.
Last
ilabas mo
call
dun.
for Portal 1 Delta Papa Quebec.
Ilabas mo lang, alisin mo, linisin mo yan, may ayusin ako dyan.
PRSnet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening to all monitoring station. This is 4H1 Delta Papa Quebec, transmitting from Mandaluyong. No further traffic, just supporting the evening net. 73 and mabuhay. God bless.
Portal 1 Yankee Queen Delta for the net. Portal 1 Yankee Queen Delta, Jason, please stand by.
Bravo.
Acknowledge the station of Tito Pipito. Likewise, God bless, 73 and mabuhay, and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Delta Papa Quebec, is now lock and clear. Next station, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot from the group, one of the control stations. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Copy likewise, Root Boy. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi rin sa lahat ng istasyon na kantabay. No other topic, just supporting our group's net from Calamba City, 73. God bless, mabuhay.
Portal 1 Bravo Floyd.
Mike Bravo.
Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Echo Camila, please stand by. Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito June, and thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow.
Mike
Your
Bravo.
station, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, is now
DW2.
loud and clear. Next station, DW3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Tito Ruel, good evening, welcome to Dix1 PearsNet.
Salamat, magandang gabi, Red Boy. This is TW3RQG, Royal Lampiña Laguna from the group of TX3 Latitude, Northern Traffic 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Ruel, congratulations. You are now qualified for the raffle draw. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1 is now locked and clear. Next station, Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta. Jason, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PearsNet.
Po, Tuturot Baybayan, Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta. My name is Jason, transmitting Tagaytay City. Malakas na hangin, malamig. Yusuf, 73, mabuhay.
QSL, dito, Jason, at thank you for that weather report. Malakas ang hangin at malamig sa Tagaytay. Maraming salamat. Just keep on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, is now locked and clear.
Tito, pa-acknowledge Delta Sierra Papa, Sariaya.
Okay. Acknowledge the station of Portal 1, Delta Sierra Papa. Nasa FB Live din, Tito Nelson.
QSL, nabasa ko lang rito.
Okay, copy that. Okay, indulgence, Camilay, acknowledge the station of Portal 1 Delta Sierra Papa, Kadani ng Sariaya, Quezon, and also from the group of Dix1 EBM. Thank you for checking in via Facebook Live, 73. Next station, Portal 1, Bravo, Zulu, Echo, Camiloy. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 PearsNet.
Good evening to all station and monitor. So, Hotel 1, Bravo to Radio. Giving you southbound traffic. W3, salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Camiloy ng Commonwealth, and also from the group of Dex1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu, Echo is now locked and clear.
Mike Bravo.
Sikinet. Any more stations who would like to join Dex1 PRS EveningNet, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo, Tito Dan from the group, our club auditor. Good evening, welcome to our GroupsNet.
Good evening, Rude Boy. Good evening, fellow hams. Just supporting our evening net call with no traffic, 73, and fine evening. Keep safe, mabuhay.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Dan. Thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now locked and clear. And Tito Dan, you are about to be qualified. Just keep on checking in for our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 PearsNet? Hope. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
Sino lang.
For Echo 1 Hotel for the net.
I hear the station of for Echo 1 Hotel, Tito Ronnie, the president of Dex1 WAPI. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PearsNet.
Magandang gabi po.
Control. Magandang gabi to all members and officers of the X1 PRS. This is for Echo 1 Hotel, joining and supporting the net, no traffic. 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat at ingat po tayong lagi. At hindi pa po tapos ang ating pandemic, wag po tayong makampante. 73 to all station.
Maraming salamat Tito Ronnie sa inyong pagpaalala. Huwag tayong magkampante at hindi pa tapos ang COVID. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Echo 1 Hotel is now lock and clear. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Delta Victor 1, Yankee Uniform Yankee.
Pakibilig po, yung medyo scratches ang dating ko. One more time.
Delta Victor 1, Yankee Uniform Yankee.
Okay, copy that. Delta Victor 1, Yankee Uniform Yankee. Tito Sam ng Buhay na Tubig, Imos, Cavite. Good evening, welcome to X1 PRSnet.
Yes, likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, everyone. At Delta Victor 1, Yankee Uniform Yankee, joining supporting the our evening net. 73, mabuhay, the X1 Papa. Salamat po.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Sam. At thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1, Yankee Uniform Yankee is now lock and clear. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Check.
Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. I heard the station of 4 India 1, Alpha Mike, Bravo QSL. Okay, 4I1 Alpha Mike Romeo, Tito Chris, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Chris. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Alpha Mike Romeo is now logged and clear. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Delta Yankee 1, Charlie November, Delta Portable, Tito Chito, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Chito. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Charlie, November Delta is now loud and clear. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. I just would like to acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Golf from the group. Tito Ricky, your station is now loud and clear. 73. For Echo 1 ABC and together with Portal 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, Tito Al, good evening. Welcome to our GroupNet from the group.
Likewise, good evening, OG1 PUR for ABC. To all stations on monitor, good evening, to PS1 PRS. For the traffic, just joining and supporting our event together with 4 Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, joining the event.
Likewise, God bless, 73 more power, and mabuhay, Tito Al. And Tita Nanette, thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your 2 stations for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie and for Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo are now loud and clear. As usual, 100% attendance to date, and a very good chance to win the raffle. Thank you, Tito Al. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
431 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
4G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot from the group and our corporate secretary, Tita Moore. Good evening, welcome to our GoopsNet.
Good evening, Ruth Boy, and good evening likewise to all stations. This is 4G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. Number traffic 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tita Moore. Thank you for always supporting our GoopsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station 4G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now loud and clear.
For I1 Mike Victor India.
For I1, Mike Victor India, the next net control stations, father and daughter station, Juliana and Robert from the group. Welcome to our GoopsNet.
Hi, Tito Ruth Boy.
Good evening, Tito Ruth Boy. Good evening to all stations. For G1 PUR, for the X1 PRS net. For I1, Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana, checking in.
Checking in po, supporting our group's net, no further traffic 73.
Ayos na ayos, Juliana. Kabisado na, ipakabisa na yung payambol at para matuloy-tuloy na. Okay, 73, 73 and mabuhay sa inyo, Juliana and Robert, and keep on checking in, and to date you have a perfect attendance. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India, is now loud and clear.
Pangalis dito, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Tito Jesse ng Calaca, Batangas, acknowledge who check in via FB Live sa 73, and keep on checking in. Thank you, Tito Nelson, for the relay. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. D1 X-Ray Delta Mobile, Tito Del, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Location please.
Wala ba?
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Del. Acknowledge your location, Laguna Technopark, at malapit lang dito sa akin yan. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 X-Ray Delta. Delta is now loud and clear.
DW1, DW1. Let's see.
Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
Pa-acknowledge ulit ito, Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel.
Okay, I would like to acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel, Tito Roger ng Kidapawan. Thank you for checking in via FB Live. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW8 Whiskey Alpha Hotel, is now logged and clear. Thank you, Tito Nelson, for H1 LCU, for G1 PUR. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet.
For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, it's from the group. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Root Boy, and good evening, all station. Just checking in and supporting the net at 73.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Edsel, isa na lang, at ma-qualify ka na sa ating raffle draw. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, is now loud and clear. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, Adrian from the group. Good evening, welcome to our group net. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Adrian. Also today, 100% attendance or check-in. A good chance to win the coveted prize. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, is now locked and clear.
For I1 MWS.
For I1 MWS, Tito Dan, the net control stations of DX1 Papa. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Ay, ganda gabi sa'yo, Tito Root Boy, Tito Nelson, at Tito June, sa mga net controller ng DX1 na PRS. Maganda gabi po. Para I1 MWS, 70. Salamat, Tito Root Boy. Bukas na din ang baga, magkaliligan tayo. Salamat.
Pasabay ako, Tito Dan, sa Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, si Nelson. At nag-ooperate ako ng FB Live. Ginagamit ko yung Romeo ko. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Likewise, Tito Dan, at kita-kita tayo bukas. At ingat-ingat dyan. 73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. At maraming salamat, Tito Dan, sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Whiskey Sierra, is now locked and clear.
For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Fox.
For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Fox. Tito Mel, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRS Net.
Good evening po. Nagpapatala lang po sa DX1 PRS Net Call. 73, and good evening sa lahat.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Mel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Kilo Foxtrot is now locked and clear.
WQC.
Siginet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
For India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel.
For India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel, Tito Monty, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PRS Net.
Roger that. Good evening, Ruth Boy. Good evening, all unfrequented members of DX1 PRS. For India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel, transmitting from Honolulu City. And to the group DX1 Alpha Romeo Drive. Supporting the net this evening. Thank you so much. 7 p.m. Stay full.
73, be safe always, and mabuhay, Tito Monty. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRS Net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel is now lock and clear. Time check, 9 o'clock, Papa Mike. Last call for any station who would like to join Dex1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank the 55 stations who check in for tonight, and let's have some recap on the following stations.
Late check lang, Tito Boy. D1 Hotel Lima Victor, thank you.
Okay, copy that, Tito Bani, at nakahabol, D1 Hotel Lima Victor. Go ahead for your checking in.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah. Sama mo na rin ang aking buting mabahay na si Delta Yankee 1 Lima India. 73, wala na pong mensahe. Magandang gabi.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Bani and Tita Leia. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dex1 PRS at naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong dalawang himpilan, D1 Hotel Lima Victor at Delta Yankee 1 Lima India ay nakatala na po at libre na at nakahabol pa.
Tito, mayroong bagong dalawa pa-knowledge. Delta Whiskey 4 Romeo Victor Romeo Camarines Sur. At saka si Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot.
At ito Nelson, pakibalik yung Delta Whiskey 4 Romeo Victor Romeo QSL.
QSL, si Ronel ng Goa, Camarines Sur.
Okay, copy that, si Tito Romel ng Kamsur. Gua.
Golf Oscar Alpha, Camarines Sur. Si Ronel.
Okay, si Ronel. Romeo Oscar November Echo Lima from Goa, Kamsur. Okay, acknowledge the two stations, so check in via Facebook Live. Delta Whiskey 4, Romeo Victor Romeo, Tito Ronel ng Goa Kamsur. And Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Juni ng Zamboanga from the group Spark 8 Incorporated. Thank you for checking in and continue on checking. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations are now lock and clear. 73. Thank you, Tito Nelson.
Welcome.
Okay, any more stations for late check before we do the recap? Please go ahead.
4 Golf 1, Delta Whiskey Golf.
Pakiblik po, is that 4 Golf 1 Delta Whiskey something?
4 Golf 1, Delta Whiskey Golf.
For Golf 1, Delta Whiskey Golf, good evening, Tito. Please advise your name, location, and the club affiliation, if any.
Good evening, Control. Good evening all around. This is for Golf 1, Delta Whiskey Golf. My handle name is Don, Delta Oscar November, transmitting from Mayon, Quezon City, from the group Delta X-Ray 3, Friendship Guard. Just joining the net, and good evening in my 73. Tito, can I get your call sign and location? Thank you.
Okay, Tito Don, this is for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, that is Romeo Uniform Tango Hotel, Bravo Oscar Yankee, and my location is in Santa Rosa, Laguna. QSL?
QSL, Tito Ruth Boy. Ayan. Magandang gabi po dyan at ingat-ingat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Likewise, 73 at manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Don. At maraming salamat at welcome po kayo sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. At ito ay ginagawa namin mula Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 8 hanggang alas 9. Muli, 73 at ang iyong himpilan for Golf 1 Delta Whiskey Golf ay nakatala na po at libre na. Maraming salamat.
For Golf 1 November Tango Tango for the net.
For Golf 1 November Tango Tango, Tito Nick, nakahabol. One of the net control stations of and board member of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Go ahead, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Ayun, magandang gabi Tito Rotboy at magandang gabi po sa mga kantabay. Pakilaglaw nga kayong stasyon for Golf 1 November Tango Tango. Nick po ng Taytay Rizal. Sumusuporta po sa gamay ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. 73, Tito Rotboy, lag na rin po kita.
Ay, maraming salamat, Tito Nick, at 73 at manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan for Golf 1 November Tango Tango ay nakatala na po at libre na.
Tito Nick, pasabay din ako, si Nelson. Oh, wala na.
Tito Nick, dinig mo si Tito Nelson?
Lumipat na yata, Tito.
Oo nga, baka nag-QSY na.
Roger. Sige lang, Tito. Lang. Dito lang. At wala namang mahabol na sa akin.
Copy that, Tito Nelson. Okay, so let's do the recap. Starting with D1 Victor Lima Zulu, Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima, DW1 Queen Alpha Mike, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie. 4 Golf 1 Echo Hotel November 4 India 1 Papa Uniform Victor, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, Delta Yankee 1 Juliet Kilo Oscar, Fortel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. DU9 Mike Echo Romeo, DB1 Yankee November Juliet, Fortel 1 Yankee Romeo X-Ray, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. Portal 1 Bravo Delta Golf, Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Whiskey, Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Portal 1 Lima Echo Sierra, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Alpha Romeo. Portal 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike, Delta Yankee 1 X-Ray Quebec, India, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico. DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, DW1 Whiskey Quebec Charlie, DW2 Mike Bravo, Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey. Hotel 1, Delta Papa Quebec, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, DW3 Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. Portal 1 Delta Sierra Papa, 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo, 4 Echo 1 Hotel, DV1 Yankee Uniform Yankee, 4 India 1 Alpha Mike Romeo, Delta Yankee 1 Charlie November Delta. 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Golf, 4 Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, 4 Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, 4 India 1 Mike Victor India. DW1 Victor Oscar Zulu, DU1 X-Ray Delta Delta, DW8 Whiskey Alpha Hotel, 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet, 4 Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima. 4 India 1 Mike Whiskey Sierra, 4 Golf 1 Echo Kilo Foxtrot, 4 India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel, DU1 Hotel Lima Victor, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Lima India. Delta Whiskey 4 Romeo Victor Romeo, Delta Whiskey 8 Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, 4 Golf 1 Delta Whiskey Golf, and 4 Golf 1 November Tango Tango. Any more station for late check before we close the net? So that's add up to about 61 stations check-in for tonight. Tito Nelson, mayroon pa ba dyan sa Facebook?
Wala na, Tito. No.
Okay, with that, we would like to thank you very much for supporting the DX1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again for the next edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of DX1 PRS, this is for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat tayong lahat palagi. Ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. God bless to all, 73.